Have you been looking for a simple way to support your oral health and maintain fresh breath? Maybe you've already tried different toothpastes, mouthwashes, or other dental products, but you're still interested in learning about other options. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a product called Pro Dentum. In this review, I'll explain what Pro Dentum is, how it is supposed to work, what's inside the formula, how it's used, and some important things you should know before deciding whether it's right for you. So let's get started. What is Pro Dentum? Pro Dentum is a dietary supplement designed around the idea of supporting the oral microbiome. The product comes in the form of a soft probiotic tablet that is designed to dissolve in your mouth. According to the manufacturer, Pro Dentum contains a combination of probiotic strains intended to support a healthy balance of bacteria in the mouth. The concept behind the product is interesting because our mouth naturally contains many different types of bacteria. Some bacteria can be beneficial, while others may contribute to oral problems when the balance is disrupted. Pro Dentum is marketed as a way to introduce beneficial bacteria into the oral environment. How does Pro Dentum work? The main concept behind Pro Dentum is the oral microbiome. Just like the digestive system has its own microbiome, the mouth also contains a community of microorganisms. The manufacturer says Pro Dentum combines several probiotic strains and provides approximately 3.5 billion probiotic bacteria per serving. The goal is not to replace normal dental care. Instead, the idea is to provide additional probiotic support as part of an overall oral health routine. And that's an important distinction. A supplement should not be viewed as a replacement for brushing, flossing, professional dental cleanings, or treatment recommended by a dentist. What's inside Pro Dentum? According to the manufacturer's information, Pro Dentum uses multiple probiotic strains. The formulation includes strains such as Lactobacillus paracasei and Lactobacillus reuteri, among others. The product's official presentation also cites research discussing probiotics and oral health. The important thing to understand is that research on individual probiotic strains does not automatically mean that the finished supplement will produce the same results for every person. That's why I would be careful with anyone claiming that Pro Dentum can guarantee a specific dental result. Individual experiences can vary. How do you take Pro Dentum? The manufacturer's instructions recommend allowing one soft tablet to dissolve in the mouth in the morning. This is different from simply swallowing a traditional capsule. The product is designed specifically to dissolve in the mouth, which fits with its focus on the oral environment. However, always follow the current instructions on the product packaging and official website. What are the potential benefits? The product is marketed primarily around oral health support. The manufacturer highlights areas such as supporting the gums, teeth, oral microbiome and fresh breath. But here's where I want to be completely transparent. I wouldn't tell you that Pro Dentum will cure gum disease, rebuild damaged teeth, eliminate cavities, or replace your dentist. Those would be medical claims that go beyond what we can responsibly say about a dietary supplement. Instead, think of Pro Dentum as a potential supplement to an existing oral care routine. How long does it take to see results? This is another important point. The manufacturer says that results can vary from person to person and mentions approximately 9 to 12 weeks as a general timeframe reported for supplements, while also stating that this is not a rule. So don't expect an overnight transformation. If you're considering a supplement like this, consistency and realistic expectations are important. Is Pro Dentum safe? According to the manufacturer, Pro Dentum is produced in a facility following quality and manufacturing standards. However, everyone's situation is different. If you're pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, the manufacturer recommends speaking with a qualified healthcare professional before using the product. And if you have persistent tooth pain, bleeding gums, swelling, sensitivity, or another dental problem, don't use a supplement as a substitute for professional dental care. See a dentist. Is Pro Dentum worth considering? So, after looking at the product, who might be interested in Pro Dentum? It may be worth researching if you're interested in probiotics and want to add another product to your daily oral health routine. But I wouldn't recommend buying it simply because someone promises miraculous results. Instead, look at the ingredients, understand what the product is designed to do, consider your own situation, and make an informed decision. Money-back guarantee. According to the official Pro Dentum website, the product currently comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, subject to the manufacturer's terms and return requirements. That's something worth checking carefully before purchasing, especially because policies can change. Final verdict. So, what's my final opinion about Pro Dentum? I think the most interesting part of the product is its focus on the oral microbiome and probiotics. The concept is different from a traditional mouthwash or toothpaste because it's designed around probiotic supplementation. However, I would keep expectations realistic. Pro Dentum is a supplement, not a replacement for brushing, flossing, regular dental appointments, or professional treatment. If you're interested in learning more, check the official product information, review the ingredients, read the terms and guarantee carefully, and decide whether it fits your personal needs. And remember, what works for one person may not work the same way for another. If you want to check the current price, available packages, and the official guarantee, I'll leave the link below this video. Thanks for watching this Pro Dentum review. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next review. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Pro Dentum is a dietary supplement and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional regarding your individual health needs.